Hey guys, so I decided to do a video of me inputting my yarn locks. So first, what I'm actually showing you guys, I actually completed everything, got them all done. It was black and green, which I was using yarn. I'll let you know the brand. I actually picked the yarn up from Walmart. I think altogether it was like $9. Oh, I got one from AC Moore and then the other one I got from Walmart. So I wound up having to get three because I ran out of the first black one. So I'm actually going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut it. And then watch how easy it is to just take it apart. So I learned with taking the braid out that was at the base is basically kind of unbraiding what you already braided, and then you pull it and it's like literally that simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that yarn off and then reapply the yarn lock. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys my little strip of piece of hair that I got up there. I'm just going to comb it out, get the section right, and then I'm going to start to measure the yarn of how long I want them. So I think I did about, almost like 9 on each lock, depending on how thin they came out and how long, it was to wrap it. So I'm just going ahead preparing it, and then I'm just going to cut it evenly and then start braiding. Okay, so I showed you guys how I would grip the hair, and I didn't realize how hard it is trying to watch yourself braid it. That's why I laughed. It's easy for me to braid when I don't watch myself, so I'm gonna slow it down and just show you guys how I actually braid with the yarn. So I'm just showing you guys that I started braiding past where my hair actually stopped at. That way when I take it out, I won't you know, cut my hair when taking it loose. And then once I'm finished braiding it down to where I want it to be braided at, I'll go ahead and put a knot in there. Just take one strand of the yarn and put it into a knot, and then I'll go ahead and start preparing my yarn to wrap around. So I'm just showing you guys that I started off with 3. I just kind of made them a little evenly, and then I just started at the base of it, not too close to the root of your hair, just so you can prevent it from breaking. And I didn't do it too tight, just to prevent it from my hair from breaking off. And I just literally take it around the base. I wrapped it at least 3 times, and then I just kept wrapping it. And gradually, as I would go down, you would see me take my hand and push the yarn up to make sure it's still intact tightly. So just watch. Okay, so here I am getting all the way down to the end. I'm wrapping literally all the way down till there's no more long or uneven, until I just like to save yarn. So I'm getting all the way down, and then when I get to the end part, I'm putting a knot in there. Most of the time I'll try to do 2 of them. There we go. And then you get it right, get your lighter, light it, cut that part off, and then there go your yarn lock. So this is just the overview of my yarn locks. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys for watching.